guys, so welcome back to Pastel Cloud. We are today unboxing another one of Kawaii grab bags. This is actually the one from Jollii. So previously I made another video and that one was actually from I Spy Kawaii Supplies. So I'm sorry for the misinformation there, but this one is the one from Jollii. So this was only £10 for this grab bag. The link is in the description. I wanted to say kind of just hi, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. We're gonna have a good look at this and have a nice relaxing time unboxing some cute Kawaii stationery. We have our usual kind of setup, and the packaging on this one is absolutely stunning. It actually came in a pink spotted bag to start with as well, like the packaging bag, and then inside has this lovely little crepe paper and a little sticker on the front. So it's super duper cute. I love it. So once we open this up, you'll see that there's quite a lot of really nice quality stationery. I would recommend this store if you're looking for something a little bit high class. Most of their goods either seem Kawaii related or they are imports from Japan, which is super cool. Their logo and their styles are all kind of animal based, so you can see the little cute panda on the front there, so sweet. I just absolutely love the cute panda. And we did also come with a little note as well, so I think all of the orders are all hand packaged, which I really love, and there's a lot of care gone into how the package was created. As you can see, the way that the stationery is all kind of laid out. That's her little logo there. Love the whole look of this brand. It's so beautiful. And pretty much everything on their store looks like an absolute delight. So we're gonna open this one up. Inside there are so many different types of stationery, which I really liked. So I think this is quite a lot for the grab bag that I got, considering I got the large grab bag. And I was kind of expecting maybe a notelet and maybe some pens, but I was not expecting the amount that we got in here. So on this one we have all of our cute kittens doing various shenanigans. My favourite one is probably the one down the bottom, the kitten pile. It's so cute. And I like the one with all the onigiri on the left hand side there, just super pretty, super duper pretty. And the stickers are super sticky, so they are transferable for literally everywhere. The next thing that we got was the masking tape. So this is like a big long strip of tape, and it has these absolutely stunning little pictorials of just these two sisters going about their life. I just love it. It's very, very cute. I think I've not seen this style before. I've not seen this. It's very kind of Sanrio-esque. I was looking for where it actually came from, but I couldn't really find too much on it at this point, but I absolutely love the style. I think it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. So the next thing we have in here is a little postcard. So the postcard is from a Japanese artist. The little picture in the middle, I'm not awfully sure what it's supposed to be, but I'm kind of assuming some sort of yokai, like a kind of spirit in the forest, like a fox spirit, maybe mixed with something else. I do love the artwork, and it's super good quality card. Like, look how thick that was. It is really nice, and the gloss on the front is top notch. So just absolutely love that one as well. This brand is actually based in the UK too, which I usually only go for brands that are based in the UK, just because obviously it's easier for shipping for me. But at the same time, I feel like if you're supporting homemade business, that's the best way to go. So this one here is called a guest book, but basically they're like little post-it notes. He's got this wrapped up cute little dachshund. It's just so adorable. This one is definitely an import from Japan. So sweet. So sweet. And I love the little "I'm cute" and the little speech bubble down the bottom. It's just adorable. The next one is actually my favourite in the entire pack. This kind of llama-esque bunny rabbit ruler. It's pink, which is my favourite colour. It's from Nana Friends, which again, a company I've not heard of. I absolutely love it. But it is proper wood. It's nice to have something that is just really feels good in your hands and has like a proper weight to it. It also goes with all the rest of my cute stationery with the little pink theme. I just think it's adorable. I love the adorable stuff. Next in the package we have the washi tape. So this one, it was a little bit hard for it to focus because the washi tape is slightly like metallic, so it has this little sheen, so it's a little bit difficult for the camera to pick it up. But it's a little bit thinner than usual washi tape, and to be honest, I'm not mad at that. Mainly because quite a lot of my letters have like cute outsides on the top and the bottom, but on the sides they don't. So now I can put some washi tape over the top, and it's not like obscuring my writing or anything else. This was a cute pen. I like this one. You can see it's got sakura flowers, little cherry blossom flowers on it. It is bright pink, and I love that. Here's the writing on the front. I don't know what it says. I wish I knew what it said. I mean, if you know what it says, you let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I assume it probably says something like company name or pen. But yeah, it writes super nicely. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it's like a fine line sort of pen. Next we have these. Now I'm not sure what to describe them as. Kind of like page markers, I guess. But what you can do is that each of them is like a little label, so when you're doing like your filofax, or if you need to take notes, then you can put these little stickies in there, write on them, and it will tell you where you are or whether you need to go back to that page. So I think that's super duper cool. That's super duper cool. Of course, our ginger haired friend on the front is absolutely adorable. So I will probably be using those a relative amount, I reckon. It kind of matches the masking tape as well, which is what I was pointing at there. It just all has that kind of theme, autumnal thoughts. So this one is a sushi pen. The little sushi are just like, they're adorable, absolutely adorable. So this is actually a mechanical pencil. So I didn't find this out till a little bit later. I think you might see me experiment a little bit later in the video where I kind of click it and I expect for it to go back in, but actually it just keeps getting longer. So this is a mechanical pencil, which I haven't seen in literally years. I love mechanical pencils, so this is great. It'll also go with my rubber from the last eraser from the last pack that I got. And finally, in the very bottom is this cute little paper clip. The style paper clip is absolutely adorable. I love the fact that it is just two stars within each other rather than like a star plastered on the front of a paper clip. Kind of cool. And of course the package itself is actually so cute. So I'll probably be keeping the cellophane for something else. So yeah, I think this is a really good haul. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to go to the montage section so you can have a good look. These are all of our goods all together. I'm going to shut up for a little bit so you can enjoy it. stickers actually came in with the little note, and I didn't even see them. I love the milk one with the little happy face. This is where I show you a little bit with the pen, mechanical pencil. So you can kind of see, not very well, but there's some, it is literally just some thin lead in there. So that's always good. Not sure how to refill it yet, but we'll work that out. We'll work that out in time. Super cool. I love it. So we're going to just go through some of the pieces so you can kind of see them almost, not in action, but what they're like on the inside. Like I'll ruffle things around. But at this point I'll probably just chat a little bit about the kind of process and how much I absolutely love all the stuff here. So as a brand, I absolutely love the look of Jollii stuff. And almost everything on their shop I absolutely adore, just stunning. In their note they were super thankful and just really polite, and it didn't take very long for it to get here, considering that Royal Mail at the moment are super duper slow. I'm actually sending all of my orders by DX right now, just so that it will get there, and I know it gets there on time. But that's just the whole crisis at the moment, and it's nice to have some relaxing Kawaii stationery to unbox, unwrap, and just enjoy generally. But yeah, all of the links will be in the description below. I hope you all kind of enjoy these types of unboxings. I want to try and do more of them. I have one more box that has arrived yesterday that I really want to show you guys too, so stay tuned for that. But as for this box, I just absolutely love it. Everything in it is very up my street. And for the £10 something that I paid for it, I think it was £10.95 that I paid for it, I am absolutely over the moon. If you are on a budget and you want some Kawaii stationery, I recommend this mystery bag. It is absolutely stunning. I had no idea what was going to be inside, but yeah, so that's it. We're going to say bye-bye for now. Thank you, Miss Hand. Here is the links. They are all in the description. Thank you so much to Jollii on Etsy for sending me the most fantastic box. And hey, if you see this, thank you so much for watching Pastel Cloud today, and I hope to see you all soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kawaii